Today we are going to talk about how to write LinkedIn headline for more profile visits, for more search appearances, and to get more reach and engagement as well. So let's go to the video. First of all, let's understand why should you work on your LinkedIn headline. LinkedIn headline or bio is one of the three things which appears to everyone whoever visiting your profile along with your photo and name. So yes, first impression is the best impression, right? No one wants to spoil it, and of course headline is the most appropriate thing you can work upon if you want to create an impact and if you want to create an impression. Of course, first impression. Tip number 1. Customize your headline. LinkedIn will leave a default headline whenever you are creating a profile or whenever you are updating a job. For example, I am working as a senior digital marketing executive with BitRoyal. So LinkedIn leaves my default headline as senior digital marketing executive at BitRoyal. LinkedIn is giving you 120 words to customize your headline. So always remember, don't use default headline at all. Customize your headline for more search results. Tip number 2. Don't use buzzwords but use keywords. This will lead people to find you when they are searching. Why keywords? You have to make your LinkedIn SEO friendly. SEO means search engine optimization. Why you want to do SEO on your LinkedIn personal profile? LinkedIn is a search engine, and obviously everyone, especially recruiters and clients, are searching for people or resources. To show up your profile when they are searching, it is very important to put the keywords of the area you are working. For example, I can keep my LinkedIn headline as digital marketing professional, but I am writing it as digital marketing professional who focuses on learning, researching, teamwork, leadership, and client success. How about that? So always remember, keywords are the key to appear on search results. It is very important to appear on search results on LinkedIn. Whenever people are searching for a particular thing or the area where you are working on, you have to appear. For that, you have to use keywords. Third tip, incorporate your specialty. Why should you incorporate your specialty? For example, digital marketing has so many verticals, right? So what is my specialization? Maybe I can write digital marketing executive specialized in social media marketing. Or if you are a graphic designer, don't write simply as graphic designer, but write graphic designer specializes in logo design. It will create more impact than what you usually write. Tip number 4. Show your character or personality or some attractive tagline at the end. For example, I can keep man on a mission. That is a tagline which is really attractive. Or if you are an enthusiast, you can keep as digital marketing enthusiast as well. So this kind of words which shows your character, personality or some random tagline will really make the viewer interesting, and that particular person would keen to know more about you. So don't miss this. Fifth tip number 5 is keep it simple and clean. If you have a lot of things to write, make sure that you are using some space bar or you are using some bullet points. For example, on my LinkedIn profile, I can write digital marketing enthusiast, bullet point, content creator, bullet point, YouTuber. So I am compiling all the three things all together using some bullet points. This will make your profile more clean, neat and attractive as well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.